Here's a look at the roof going up on an oak home kit from Schutt Log Homes. A major step where the structure starts to take shape and the vision really comes to life. The oak ridge beam, rafters, collar ties, and shiplap ceiling are all included in our kits, giving your home not just solid structure, but rich character and that timeless, handcrafted look from the inside out. The ridge beam is a solid 4-inch by 12-inch oak, not just a key structural element, but a striking focal point in the home. It's paired with 4-inch by 8-inch oak rafters and collar ties that add to the dramatic open feel. Above it all, the oak shiplap ceiling brings warmth, texture, and that classic cabin charm, showcasing the natural beauty of real hardwood throughout the space. Whether you choose a hybrid timber frame or an oak log cabin, both kits use the same strong, reliable roofing system. Built tough for durability, easy to install, and designed to complement the natural beauty of solid oak while delivering that classic cabin look and feel. Ready to build something solid, beautiful, and uniquely yours? Visit oakcabins.com to see what's included in our oak home kits and start planning your dream cabin today.